Hey, what's up guys? It's King Rancher 13. Today we're actually in Ohio, Buckeye Country here. We just got wrapped up with his 2020 and we're about to start up for the first time. So here we go. You ready, Doug? All right. That was good. Okay guys, so that's how it sounds. Should we go for a drive? All right, let's go for a drive. Here's your keys. And this is a 2020 Lariat F350 single rear wheel with the Tremor package. So it's got the 34.5s, Wranglers. Let's go.
Should have wore the old coon hat.
That would have been awesome. Oh man, that would have been really awesome.
It's crazy how much difference in exhaust sound just changes the way everything you think about the vehicle. I mean, I love the truck beforehand, but once you put exhaust on it, it's just...
It totally changes. Especially on these diesel trucks, it totally changes them. The drivability of them, the power of them, the sound.
Yeah, it's sounds like a jet that I that's good. It's great. So was a 13 King Rancher first?
Yeah, that's exactly why.
The name.
And it was a King Rancher F-150.
Oh, okay.
Back in, when did I buy that? 2015 or no, 2016. That's when I got my first actual King Rancher. I had a 2008 F350 single rear wheel crew cab long bed Lariat, fully loaded, and I was like, dang, I wish I had a King Rancher. So I put King Rancher seats in it, swapped out the interior and everything, and so that was like kind of my first King, but it wasn't like an actual King Rancher, you know. It's not
that was the start of it though.
Right, that was the start. I'm pretty sure you broke the wheels loose there. So Doug, now that you've driven it, what are your thoughts on it?
Best money I've spent on it so far.
Come on.
It's got a lot more power, sounds great. Hopefully gets a little bit better gas mileage if I keep my foot out of it.
That won't happen for a week or two.
Right. But back and forth to work, maybe it'll give me better gas mileage.
Yeah.
But sounds amazing.
good.
I'll get back.
All right.
My piece of junk windshield.
Say figures.
Oh yeah. Thank you, rocks. Probably immediately you'll notice throttle response.
Yeah.
So the Platinums have this brushed steel look. That's a big difference in the King Ranches and stuff.
I like the King Ranch interiors better.
It just wants more.
That's on low end.
That's factory.
Oh,
I mean, but that's still going to be more horsepower than normal because it's got less restriction in it.
The corn's growing. You can't see that good. That's on 2.
That's on 2. And now you can hear that turbo more, especially when you let off.
Yeah.
That's one of my favorite sounds right there. The turbo's pulling down. Yeah, you can really hear that intake.
It's not loud.
Yeah, it really isn't. Yeah. But you know it's there.
Yeah. Yeah, I was telling her because she was giving me issues. It's not going to sound like a Cummins.
Yeah.
That's like half throttle.
That's half throttle?
Yeah.
Wow. It'll lose traction before
Oh, yeah.
you get all the way down.
Can you tell, Jonathan?
Oh, yeah.
It kind of pushes you in the back of the seat, don't it?
Absolutely.
That's on 5.
That's on 5. You can definitely notice.
Yeah.
Well, you said you could just drive around on 5, right?
Oh yeah, I mean I drive around on 5 because I get the best fuel economy.
On 5?
Yes. Oh man, this is dangerous. Put in that sport mode. What do you double tap that? Yeah. Okay. Active track. Okay. Yeah, the shift points are a lot higher.
Yeah.
Man, it's pretty in the sunset with these fields and everything. In Louisiana, we get a lot of cotton. See if that stays up. Alright. It's probably gonna fall. I know it's gonna fall, so I can hardly hold the phone. Have you heard about the thing where you put $100 bill up there? That was kind of like it. I was barely holding on to the phone.
We had a Camaro a long time ago. We used to do that all the time.
That's fun.
Had big old fatty tires on it.
Oh man, it had them, what do you call them, drag slicks
Yeah.
or whatever? Alright, so now after driving it around for a little bit, what are your initial thoughts?
Oh, I love it. Totally different.
Yeah.
It's well worth it.
Alright guys, well, this is gonna be the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and take care, and God bless America.